wait so long for?
Mommy, I'm afraid of Shaka.
If you want it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Hey guys, it's Chrissy and
Gabby, hello everybody.
so guys, for today's video, we will be doing the lie detector test. I'm gonna ask my mom a few questions and then I'm gonna see if she's gonna lie to me or if she's gonna tell the truth.
What if I'm gonna die?
Guys, we are so scared. We wanted to chicken out of this challenge
Gives me a sweat.
last minute.
You sure this thing work?
I don't know.
Look, I look dangerous, or?
I'm afraid.
A battery in there, just in case you are wondering.
Guys, do we have to do this challenge? Can we skip it out for next time? I'm afraid, mommy.
No, we want to get you behind me.
Me a sweat. Ooh.
We are get rid of this, no? And then we are going to give it to our best friends. Them.
I remember when we said we were scared of the Bean Boozle challenge, but that was nothing.
That's why I harmless.
That was harmless, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so mom, you first.
No, you first.
You first.
She first, right? The little one, me and your mother as well. You first, man. After you still live on, so you can ask me something.
No, mommy, you first. Yeah, I want to have most experience, so you
For what?
first.
Lying. People, she's so unfair. She always come up with them thing, them also. Every time you have to find more questions, no? Also, me so run out of questions here.
But you say you're prepared for me with the question. Oh God, man, I start already. I think that's a good mix with the shock.
Yeah, they shock you worse then.
You know, guys, it's so funny.
Are you ready?
No.
For your first question, put your arm in there.
Okay, I'm ready.
Mama, das stell dich, ne? Don't go on like that. Ah, das muss weg. You sure this have a move?
Yeah, tie my hand around there. Jesus Christ. Mommy, that's so tight.
Ja, mach schon bevor time.
Shit, it's too tight.
Schön da reindrücken, ne?
No, never mind. We don't do that. We just put it in there like this.
She's just a coward.
Oh God, pray for me. Okay, just 3 fingers can get shocked. Me survive. Frig after
I
this.
wouldn't be so sure of that. What happened to the black button there?
Oh God, what happened to the
Then
rest?
you have to press start.
Yeah, we had to ask the question first and then press it.
No, you have to press start. I think maybe you need to think about how you're going to take time for your
No, yeah.
load.
She, guys, she's supposed to ask the question first.
That's what you say.
Okay, ask the question, then you press the black button.
You think we have to press it from now?
No! Oh, yeah, remember
Did
this?
you ever lie to me? Ever, ever?
Got my hand a sweat.
That was the question. Hello.
No! Yes!
Why you put your hand out there? Jeez.
I can't do this!
You feel something?
I can't do it!
You're so stupid. Oh, Gonzo, jeez. You make so much noise, man. You shock everybody here. Where is it? Is it here?
Let him get you shock, I'm afraid.
Boom. Oh, ja, das pocht ein bisschen. Ne?
Für die Tochter.
Ja?
No.
Wenn da was überhaben.
Okay.
Also nochmal die Frage, hast du mich jemals angelogen? Did you ever lie to me? Ever?
Yes, a petty lie.
Oh,
Percy.
so. even lie, she lie.
What am I saying? The two minutes have my hand on me and breathe.
Ja, ne? Ja, muss schon bitte hier, Mann.
Turn it off.
Geht nicht. Genau.
Oh God, something there. So 2 minutes must see them the shock at them. Oh,
Ciao, overdo man. You're such a coward girl.
coward.
I don't know something there make too much noise.
Can't
Ach, was ist das denn? 2 Knöpfe.
Ja, haben wir noch
Ein
mehr.
Two-Button, aber dem dir vor.
Mommy, you do the first one.
Current mode, vibrate mode. What the hell that?
Also, Mommy, du bist du. Okay, guys.
Yeah, read the instructions good also on my turn.
Guys, we read
My
this.
hand too big for that. Oh God.
Pull back your chair.
And then my need for a car runway. Oh.
So, guys, my chicken out. We're going to test my
I have
man.
to take off the metal. Oh God, the mirroring can come off. Oh, what?
And next hand, anyways. And next.
Why?
Because, look, your thumb off it come here, so.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm a little Schildkröte.
So, guys,
Metall.
we're going to see if my mom is a bit braver because I was too scared. Maybe she can start out first. When I see her, she's still living. I will do. Mommy, I'm really braver than me. Okay, let me get my question ready.
Oh my God. Oh, I'm dying here, people.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna tell you one
I'm afraid.
that thing may be really a work.
So,
I
guys.
was like, get them stupid ideas from. Seriously, you don't get that from me.
No, I don't know me get it from either.
Why the hell you come up with something like that?
Again?
So crazy. I don't want to answer no question.
Funny enough, putting your hand in there.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Come here, tell me. Guys, don't grab people are scared of this thing.
God.
You said you're braver. So my first question is
Don't mind, you're not pressing on something.
Oh, guys, my first question is have you ever lied to me? Funny enough, we have the same first question.
Of course, many times.
Pull it down more than once when you get shocked.
Put it on where?
To the table edge.
I'm telling you truth.
Yeah, you've lied to me before. Should I be happy? Okay, guys, let me get up my little courage now. Okay, ask back the question.
I live. This is crazy, people. This is.
Oh, God. My hand sweat, wait.
Just calm down, no? Did you ever smoke ganja before?
Yeah, yes.
Ach so, anstellen muss man es ja.
Jesus, I can't.
Man, you get the thing with the friend here. And that unfair people, really? Such a fraud. Oh, nee, also, oder? Seriously, man kann die Socken der ab.
No, Mommy, we can't do that. We can't do it. You're too cold. Or maybe if you take up my hand in there, but they make a fling across the room.
You believe that? You know, me work really for those questions.
Oh, I'm sorry, what a question.
No, you're not sorry. You put your hand in there.
Jesus
Put
Christ.
your hand in
Okay.
there. You listen to your mother, yeah?
Alright, well, wipe off his sweat.
Yeah, if you wipe off now. Just come in.
We're gonna get up on my
Yeah.
job.
So, yeah, next question, huh?
Next question. Ask the same question. Ask the question.
No,
Then I your time then if you ask the question.
no.
No, ask
Yeah,
the
you're
same
not
question.
doing right anyway, so we just ask you all the questions them right through.
No. No, I your time then if you ask the question. can do it, but then ask back over the question.
Okay. Sein muss.
So guys, mommy spared me the first question, so now we just are going to do the second question. I hope so me no run away. Go on.
Yeah, you know the question. Did you ever smoke weed before?
Yes, one little puff.
Naja.
Percy. We're afraid. We can't do it. We can't do it. We can't do it.
May I give birth to such a cold picnic? And my picnic is. Shut up.
Gosh, we're not so brave. Maybe after we do every other video, we can try again.
Oh shit. Alright, go ask me.
Oh, mommy, want me to ask her? I said you want brave.
Picnic.
My second question is, do you love me?
Yes. Because we love you. So macht man das, ne? You see how you do it? I love you. I love you. So you see the difference? This is a coward. I'm brave.
Alright. Okay, ask for the
I
third
guess the
one.
people that want to see me finally get shot, no?
Oh God.
Alright. Did you ever get so drunk that you pass out?
No. Never even get drunk before. No, you have to press that one too.
I'm just trying.
Mommy, I really try to get me. Mommy, just play the game. Mommy, I'm already afraid.
I have you know a question. Did you ever get drunk that you pass out?
No. It'll take too long.
No, you make all the light of my guan. Jeez.
It'll take too long.
I said too much, that means you lie a little bit.
It's too spannend.
So whose turn now? Come on, give me that pizza pot. It look like some of them old record player them.
Oh my God, that's a brave. We can't do it.
Alright, come now. Ask me. What a thing, eh?
My third question is, was I planned?
Yeah, long time. I don't know where we wait so long for.
Mommy, I'm afraid of Shaka.
I'm not alive. I tell you the truth, but you think I'll shock me?
So was it an accident?
No?
Uh-huh.
You know how many years, you know, the story.
How you feel?
That thing I lie.
Tell me how you feel.
Not hard, I mean, but you feel it.
Tell
That
me.
thing now work. People, honestly tell you the truth. A long time I tried to get pregnant and thing, and it just, all kind of things happening in my life, so. But you definitely
Mommy.
did plan. No, me not dragon, that thing too lie.
Mommy, answer my question. How you feel? Me can't survive it. I guess you're still
Just
alive.
a little bit, so.
A bit. Oh, don't take
But
me.
it's still untrue, so. Come on. Do you love your sister? Do you love your sister?
Yes, of course.
Na, ich weiß nicht. Piep.
Guys, the first one when me survive, me putting my finger on my brave.
Oh, oh,
Me did have
she
to close
did
my
it.
eyes.
Not even want to read again because I get shocked out that thing that even over me tell the truth.
Next time, after me find out to get me mood, you won't give up.
Yeah, because you lie.
No,
Lie detector lie.
You're right. So me I find out everything.
That was about that question that sure.
So my fourth question is have you ever thought of putting me up for the adoption?
You're crazy. What kind of question that? Never.
The lie detector shall reveal the truth.
Who would ever give you up for adoption? So a while ago, maybe would have dashed away.
I wanted to shock you.
Oh no.
That was just a vibration.
But it did answer me back when we say dash away.
You get a shock.
No.
So what are the nice days?
Why is it done this?
Of course I get
How am I
shocked.
supposed to know? You was me not get no shock. You think me would have just sit here so quietly?
So what kind of weird sound that?
Yeah, you say don't say that about your child, no?
Okay.
Das, ja.
What possible vibrate
Papa,
with me?
wie schon sogar da in hier. Was will ich lieber holen? Did you ever thief in a store?
As a young kid, yes, once. Thief one tomato, guys.
Tomato?
Yes.
Where the hell would I thief on tomato? What the hell was that? You get shocked?
It vibrated in my shack, but how do you know which one I come?
Yeah, we know that. Oh.
So that means I never thief the tomato, they made it too innocent.
Mundraub. I know that in English, a mundraub are just a petty thief, like very petty.
I was like 5
I
or
think there's
so.
something there, man.
Oh God.
Can you believe that? That's already expensive. Something. Wait him again. Lie detector.
Test.
I'm moving like a shock, ne?
So
Jetzt
now,
kann ich schon wieder.
Me.
Hier der Ding auf dieser Teller, Pommel.
to like I'm thief into, which is good.
Aha.
So guys, my fifth question is, do you want me to move out?
No. Never.
The lie detector shall reveal the truth.
I don't want you to move.
If you want me to move, guys, may I move out tonight? Ah! So I don't want me to stay here anymore. You're telling me?
Nothing I lie. You sure you press the right button? I don't want you to move on. You know that.
Me the thing, me the
Think
thing.
the lie detector is a lie. How long is your man?
Yeah, it's a lie. Oh.
Yeah, with a press the wrong button.
Mom,
Mama says, Mama tell the truth. Guys,
Honest.
believe me, I'm telling you the truth.
yes, I get too old for you now.
I mean, you're not taking good care of me. I'm still waiting for my first million.
You have your dreams.
That's just not thing anymore, so because every time I tell the truth, maybe you should have lie or something, then I get shocked.
Well, that me answer to me should have said me no thief.
Alright, well, the latest time is what happened on home better not. Oh, here's a good one.
No good ones.
Do you think that I get fat?
Yes, Mama, put on a little weight. Just look a bit.
She's supposed to get shocked big time, you know, for that nice lie.
Whatever that mean, but me not get shocked.
Yeah, because you not keep your hand long enough there.
No, me handed it there. The camera.
2 minutes.
The camera show. Me not understand this thing, you know, but go on.
No, I don't want it again. I get shocked for I'll tell you the truth, people. I'm not lie. I'm the most honest person you will ever meet.
That's what I thought too.
Oh, shut up. Take out your phone there.
I might have to ask.
You need a phone for that.
Yeah, my,
Weiß mal auswendig.
my questions are on here. Okay, this is a really good question. This is the question of all questions. Would you come put in your hand?
No.
Put in your hand.
I was like, get shocked, man. I'll put it there.
Tell the truth that you don't get
I was not telling the truth, man. You must get shocked.
God.
People, please have a heart. Me tell you the truth, I say get shocked.
No, if I tell you the truth, nothing gonna happen.
Yeah, what you mean? You know, see, it's true that me happen, me tell you the truth.
Okay, so my question is,
Yeah. How much more questions?
this is number 6.
Oh, God.
Would you disown me or kick me out if I was to get pregnant now?
You should have said yes because I mean I get shocked.
Answer the question, honest. Would you?
But that thing not like me if me say honestly no, so it go shock me again.
Mommy, answer the question.
No!
Alright. Go see if your daddy disown me.
Oh, I didn't know so good. Oh, I can't take you out now. God.
You shock you?
No. I just get afraid of that thing here.
I'm afraid too. Oh God, it's
God,
finished.
me a sauce, me a sweat. Me panic here. Take your cooking pot.
I'm afraid, guys. I don't want to do it.
Did I ever embarrass you in your life, my little child?
No.
Did I ever embarrass you?
No.
Okay, das jetzt mal an. Ja.
Ooh. Guys, those were the longest seconds of my life. That means I've never embarrassed you. Hear that now for the record. Guys, I'm getting braver. Can you imagine? Do you want me to get married one day?
Yeah, one day. Not right now. One day. Please be nice to me. Be nice to me, please. I'm telling you the truth. Oh. Oh my God.
You're so brave. Oh God. Guys, like the video. My mom is so
We
brave.
give birth to 2 picnics, so you know, you call brave. Hey.
Yeah, but me so afraid. Me so
I wonder how you ever get yours.
I'm not gonna get them. We're gonna get a surrogate.
So whoever you would do, you get somebody else get them.
I don't know.
We want some kind of picnic still, no? So better think about that.
I'm gonna figure out something.
What the hell, me dear? I'm so
Mafia, calm down.
Did you ever cheat in school?
Yes, once or twice.
Me too, more than once or twice.
Come.
Also, ne? Sind wir jetzt fertig?
Let me get it right. Is my German good or bad?
I think it's bad.
So it's good?
Yeah, good.
My German mother, what she think about my German? She go say, shies there, they go shock in your backside.
Shut up.
That's how I lie.
No.
Is that truth? Okay, you're lucky. So some just vibrate, so?
How you even know is that truth?
Okay,
There's a tree green.
so guys, it vibrates at times. Now it has like 3 green lines and 2 red lines. So guys, if you understand this game, comment down below.
Yeah, anybody ever try this?
Comment down below what the vibrating means and the random singing in between.
But me definitely get shocked 2 times. And I swear to God, and by my 2 pick-me-outs, I did tell the truth. So why the hell this thing did shock me?
Because it was not the truth, mommy.
Because it wasn't the truth. Stop. put it on as a liar, Tia.
And guys, God knows I couldn't manage it, you know, so he never shocked me. I did tell the truth. But anyways, maybe we will do a part 2 if you guys...
never.
Yeah, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Well, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Yeah, your heart is a sun,